Hello guys, I know why you are here in my video guys, in my YouTube channel.
I'm going crazy.
If you want to learn how to hide apps so only them and others can't, here's the easy way to do it, KAYAMYAM. First, find and open mobile setting. Mobile setting. Once in settings, look for home screen and style and tap it. Then just tap it, home screen and style, tap it. Next, go to home screen setting. Then click. After clicking, then scroll down and find the option labeled Hidden Apps. Then tap it. Oops, let's tap the Hidden Apps. Since this is private, you'll need to enter your password or use your fingerprint. I use my fingerprint to unlock my hidden apps. Because I have already apps in my hidden app, the image guys, if no hidden apps, okay. So what you do is click the ad, then you can see it, all the apps you have. So you can choose the apps you want to hide in, okay. Then once you choose the app, you can, okay, my that drama on my screen, you can see it. I need to only make on and off. Okay, so I want to hide Happy Color, home workout, because I didn't use this all apps, so I need to hide also. Then what else? Land Bank, because I didn't use that. Then my Milolo, because sometimes I didn't use this app for watching the drama, K-drama or anything. And then mini drama, mini shorts. Okay, so I need to clean my home screen, mobile reels, passion. I don't know. I didn't install this one, guys. Actually, then net short. What else? I want to hide it. I want to hide smart short max. Then I want to hide I have a lot of apps. So that's it, guys. That's the one I hide it. Okay. Then okay guys, I'm sorry I'm not fluent in English, really. I'm not fluent in English. So, and also to pronounce it, just only I practice my English now. then after selecting, guys, then click done. Of course, on my phone, I don't need to look for done because it's automatically added once I pick the apps, okay? So, you can see my screen, my KAYAMYAM, okay? So that's it. It's already hidden the apps I wanted to hide, okay? So, let's check on my home screen. That's all. It's already gone clear in my home screen. My other Milolo, okay? Just only the drama choy previews I have, okay? Because I have already home separated all the apps I wanted to once click, just it. So that's apps I already hide 10. If you already hide your apps, then what I want to say it, and then you want to access again your hidden apps later, like this, guys. Then go back again to the settings. Then home screen and style, tap it again. Then choose home screen settings. Then again tap the hidden apps. Then of course again it's the same. It's the same the first I explained before, because this is a private, right? So you need to use your password or fingerprint. Then that's it. Then tap the apps you want to use. Okay, so I want Milolo. You want Milolo? Okay, then that's it, guys. You can use them without needing to keep them visible on your home screen. So you can watch what do you want. Okay, you can watch it. You can choose what do you want, what drama you want to watch it. Okay, easy, right? Now your apps stay private, guys. So that's it. See you in my next vlog, guys. Bye.